First, I'm gonna be trying out Stasher. Rachel's always saying to store food in the freezer flat. So these bags seem like they'd be absolutely perfect for that because they're kind of built this way already. So I've got my roasted vegetable soup right here. Before it goes in the freezer, I'm supposed to squeeze the air out. Yeah, the seal seems really durable. Looks like this is ready for the freezer. And then in a few days, we're gonna check on it. This was my roasted vegetable soup that I made a few days ago. It stored it really nicely. So the seal on the Stasher bag stayed really, really nicely. There is no plastic in it, it's made of silicone. I feel really comfortable throwing it in the microwave and then cooking it right in the pot. Okay, so we defrosted it just a little bit. These would for sure cut down on waste. You could definitely reuse it. One thing I'd love to find out is to see how well these things clean up. These are called the Stasher bags.
I like this a lot because, let me tell you why. When you work in restaurants, we store everything flat in the fridge in the walk-in because you could stack more product, obviously. So when you make soups and hot sauces and stews and things, we cool it to room temperature, then we line a bowl with a big plastic food storage bag, then you gotta pour the thing into this food storage bag, get all the air out, it's hot liquid. These look really durable.
They were, yeah, and it like stood up really nicely and the seal sealed very, very tightly. And like you said, since it was soup and you always give that tip about freezing things on its side, it just went right in the freezer. I really like these bags. And then
how did you clean it though?
I cleaned it. I used some dish soap and I also put it in the dishwasher. And because I made that roasted vegetable soup and it was red, it took some elbow grease to get it clean, but it did get clean. You know when you're using a plastic container and they're all kind of stained red when you're using a tomato sauce?
So I mean, I guess
so
that's
I'm pretty
a drawback.
impressed that it got it ended up
But you had to get in
clean.
there some elbow
I had to really
grease.
give it some elbow grease, but it got clean. I also kind of like these. I think I would also use them for traveling, for like makeup and toiletries, because you know when you put
All
everything
right,
in.
Jeanette, let's not take it too far.
No, I would.
I don't want your makeup and toiletries in my soup bag. No.
I might use the new one, but it does have a really strong seal, and I like that, so nothing else in your bag might get
You know,
destroyed.
yeah, I think this is a very practical
I really
product.
like these a lot.